Are you beginner in website designing? If yes, then you might be interested in creating website in free, but you are confused how to get hosting and domain name. If it is, then you are in right video. So namaste everyone, this is me Monica from WP Hope, and today's video is about how to create website using 000webhostapp.com, which is one of the hosting company that provides domain name in free as well as in premium version. However, this tutorial is focused on getting free domain name. There are lots of other hostings too, but I have used this one, so I'm going to share my knowledge to you regarding the way of getting domain name from 000webhost app. So now let's begin. Open a Chrome browser and there you have to type 000webhost. Here I have already typed. So now you can see this is the 000webhost app. This is one website of it. And there are several options for login, sign off, free domain hosting, free WordPress hosting, free cPanel hosting and forms. And now first we are going to get the free domain hosting. So for that, let's click on it. And you can see this interface over here, unlimited 100% free domain hosting. So here it is, get started for free, and let's click on it. And wait for a while, and you can see here the sign up form has opened. And now just write your email address over here, then type your password and again repeat it. So let me type my email. So here it is, and I'm going to type my password and I'm just repeating it, and let's sign up. This is the email for WP Hope, and whichever is your email, just type there. And it is opening, and here there WP Hope. Once just before I have previously signed up, but initially when you are just opening, then there will ask for email verification. So you have to verify your email. You should open the email. There you will get the email notification from 000webhost app, and there you have to verify this one. So then only this option, let's create some magic, will come. So after that, click on it, and now you can see first things, what would you like to do. If you are interested in learning web development, you can select it, or build an online store, create web design, start a blog and others. And initially we are just creating and logging into the cPanel, so let's select other. If you are interested for other things, then you can choose it, but I'm selecting now other. So now here you have to write the website name. This website name must be the unique. If you will write the website name that already exists, then the notification will show and that will not accept your website name. So if you have any kinds of unique website name, then just write it, or either one, or it is optional, so you can leave it blank. But see here, you can see the password, which is really so much large and lengthy and zigzag. So just you can delete this password and keep of your choice that you can remember it later on. So I'm just keeping a password. So I'm not writing the website name. I can write it later on. So I'm just going through the submit button. As website name is optional, if you are interested, then you can write it, but it should be a unique one. So your website has been created. Congratulations. But now only the website is created, but now for just creating some blogs and writing anything, you have to install a WordPress. So first let's install it, and then only you can create any blogs to it. You can get this. Here it is admin username, so it is admin, leave it as it is, but here you have to create a password. And you can see what are the limitations for password. The password must be longer than 12 characters and include uppercase letter, number, special character, and cannot contain database username or user fragments. So let me keep here password @WP Hope 123. So this would be my password, and now let me install it. Wait until your WordPress is installing and you're retrieving your WordPress file. So congratulations, your WordPress is ready and it is installed. Now go to configuration page. And now you have to type the username which was there and the password. Then you can formally log into your website. It was our username admin and here it was @wphope123. So now remember me, or it will remember you whenever you will log in. So now you're initially in your dashboard, and I've already made the videos regarding creating post and several other things. So you can watch the previous video. Now for designing the blocks, you have to go into the post, add new, and then you can create any kinds of post it into your website, and you can easily view that website to there. Our website name, so by default our website name is named as armchairoffice.000webosap.com. This is a domain name for your website. Type there armchair. This one is our website name, so let's get into it and we will find our post there. This is the website which you have created, and now everything will depend upon your designs. Whatever the blocks you will write and posts will be shown over there. Now you can further decorate it, design with several other themes. So this is the C panel of your website. Now from here you can just arrange all the dashboard activities or everything. View website. Here are tools and option for website setting too. Whenever you will get some errors and problem while creating the blocks in a WordPress, then you can view the help from the C panel. Here, if you want to change your website name, then just log into your website dashboard first. Our website was Armchair. So let me log into its dashboard. So then you can see here lots of options. So from there, choose setting, and inside setting, choose the channel. Then you can see here your site title name was Armchair, and if you want to write some another name, then you can just write it over here. And after doing that, you can just click on save changes, and then your site title name can be changed, and then you can view too. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the like button, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you can receive more content like this. So that's all, and hoping for your more love and support, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.